What if your vacuum could clean your house without you? Today, we're revealing the top 5 self-propelled vacuums of 2025, and number 3 literally navigates your home alone. From pet hair demolition to silent mode, one of these will make cleaning effortless. Wait till you see number 5's price. Starting at number 1. Shark Rotator Professional Vacuum. The Shark NV501 Rotator Professional Lift-Away Upright Vacuum is a powerful and versatile vacuum cleaner that features a detachable pod for cleaning under furniture, an anti-allergen complete seal technology, advanced swivel steering, LED headlights, wide upholstery tool, dusting brush, and crevice tool. It is perfect for cleaning pet hair, dust, and large debris from mattresses, couches, curtains, lampshades, and other delicate upholstered surfaces. Customers love its solid, clog-free, and easy-to-use design. Number 2. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Vacuum. The Shark Lift-Away Deluxe Vacuum is a powerful upright vacuum cleaner that can deep clean carpets and tackle bare floors with its multi-surface suction. Its lift-away functionality allows you to detach the pod to clean under furniture or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. The vacuum cleaner also features anti-allergen complete seal technology that works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum. The upholstery tool makes cleaning pet hair a breeze, and the swivel steering allows you to easily maneuver your vacuum in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture, and more. The brush roll shutoff feature allows you to instantly switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning, and the 0.9 quart capacity dust cup enables you to have longer cleaning sessions. Number 3. BISSELL Upright Bagless Vacuum. The BISSELL 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum is a powerful and versatile vacuum cleaner designed to make cleaning around furniture and other obstacles easy. It features a triple-action brush roll, multi-surface cleaning with scatter-free technology, edge-to-edge cleaning, and specialized pet tools. The easy empty dirt tank opens at the bottom with the press of a button, and the filter should be replaced every 6 months. Customers have praised its powerful suction, lightweight design, and ease of use, though some have noted that it is not ideal for cleaning carpets or rugs. Number 4. Dyson Ball Animal Clean Vacuum. The Dyson Ball Animal 2 is designed to tackle the toughest cleaning challenges in your home. With its powerful suction, it effectively captures dirt and allergens, making it ideal for pet owners. The innovative ball technology allows you to effortlessly steer around furniture and tight spaces with just a flick of your wrist. Its self-adjusting cleaner head ensures a snug fit on various floor types, maintaining optimal suction. Additionally, the motorized brush bar digs deep into carpets, providing a thorough clean throughout your living space. Number 5. ORECK XL COMMERCIA Vacuum. The ORECK XL Vacuum is a professional-grade upright vacuum cleaner that offers convenient features for effortless cleaning. With microsweep, you can easily switch from carpet to bare floors without any adjustments. The direct suction feature delivers dirt efficiently to maintain strong suction, making it easy to clean any surface. The high-speed roller brush spins at 5,000 to 6,500 RPMs for a deep clean, while the multi-surface design safely cleans various surfaces such as carpet, wood, laminate, and tile. This vacuum cleaner is perfect for both commercial and home use. Buy with confidence and ensure your product ships from Amazon to guarantee an authorized purchase. So which smart vacuum is coming to your home? Fight it out in the comments. Down arrow all the best deals are linked below, some are even on sale right now. If this video saved your back from vacuuming, crush that like button, share with someone who hates cleaning, and subscribe for more life-changing gadgets. Now if you'll excuse me, my vacuum's cleaning without me.